So, how are you guys doing today? My name is Faraz, and today I'm gonna give you a review of our orientation, a quick review. So, first we talked about. First we talked about fixed mindset and growth mindset. Fixed mindset are the people who give up fast, who when they face obstacles, they just give up. They want the easy way out. When they take a negative feedback, they don't learn from it. They just ignore it and they're trying to do it their own way. Growth mindset are the people who are, how they say it, embrace the challenges. So when they face something or when they face an obstacle, where they try to overcome it by pushing themselves harder and harder and learn from their mistakes to become and improve better in their lives. We also talked a little bit about growth with our classmates, and also we got introduced to the Flipgrid. Flipgrid. I made my first minute and a half video. I actually did only 40 seconds. I really didn't know what to say after. Then we also, one of the best thing that I enjoyed was the panel discussion. Amazing people, wonderful people, give us amazing feedback, gave us a nice overview over our program. So, faced and still facing the same obstacle that we will face soon. They have a very positive mindset. They talked about being positive a lot. Don't worry and don't let it destroy you. Okay, I'll try not to worry too much, but I'm already panicking. It will be hard, but it will be worth it. Of course, it will be hard, and I know it will be worth it. Don't give up. Just keep moving forward. Sometimes we'll tear out. Probably I'm gonna start losing hair, and my hair will turn gray to overcome this, but it will be worth it. Learn from our mistakes and keep moving forward. We're like a family here and we will help each other to be successful. Also, we also went over the program components, School of Teacher Education courses, a school-based student teaching, and of course, I got introduced to the nightmare teacher performance assessments, which is something that I'm going to have to overcome, and God's will, we will overcome it together. We will overcome this. And of course, we went over the 3SP overview. The one thing I stuck on was TE 914 method courses. I remembered when our professor goes like, "Oh, you guys going to read a lot," and he's an English teacher. I'm not really comfortable with this, but we will make it happen. Let's stay positive. And I don't know why I added this slide. Just give it, don't worry about it. Let's focus on this. We also talked about expectations, teacher performance expectations. We went over some policies and resources, and also we talked a lot about student teaching, and guide teacher, and our professors, how they're gonna help us out. And we ended with the screencast, and this is what I'm doing today. It's my first time using this, and I'm really enjoying it.